Molweni babukeli, igama lam ndinguSimphiwe Klaas njengenjwayelo sikwi-program ethi xhosa predictors TV. Namhlanje sawujonga the big teams zase-South Africa and then nase-Europe ukuthi ziqhuba njani. Iteam esawuqala sincokole ngayo i-Kaizer Chiefs. Namhlanje njengenjwayelo siphethe uMr Maqolo uzasixelela ukuthi uthini nge-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs ibona njani? Ibona i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team enoba ngu-number 2 or i-Kaizer Chiefs ibona i-team enothatha iloko. Into nayibonayo ngokwengxaki ze-Chiefs. I-Chiefs uthini xa ijonga i-Chiefs ngalo mdlalo? Izawudlala neStellenbosch. Siyayazi iStellenbosch this season and then last season siqhuba kahle iStellenbosch. So ithini imibono yakho nge-Chiefs?
Thanks for having me, Mr. Klaas. Nama ndizibulise kubabukeli bonke be-xhosa TV competitors.
Yes.
It's a tough game. It's a tough game, Mr. Klaas, between Chiefs and Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
And it's a close game. It's a 50-50 game. Siboni Chiefs position 3 with 37 points. Xa ndijonga i-Chiefs i-structure sayo sibhede kakhulu, ine-structure sibhede kakhulu against coach of experience, Mr. Barker. So that's why I say it's a tough game and it can end on draw or it can be Chiefs win. But let's take let's say because of how Chiefs they are hungry and they also want to be there, especially the under pressure coach Mr. Zwane. He will want to win that game for himself because he knows if he don't win that game, they will end up sacking him. So I think Chiefs and the draw will be safe on that game.
So the last thing I can say about Chiefs, Chiefs ne-Pirates bana 37 points bobabini, and then at Amakhosi, why they say makagxothe uZwane? Some they say makagxothe uZwane, abanye bathi makagcine. But bathi ucoach we-Pirates no coach we-Chiefs bayalingana ngokwe-points. So why we-Pirates kuthiwa makangagxothwa? And then do you see uZwane ku-next season esengumqeqeshi we-Chiefs before sedlule ku-Chiefs?
When we look at those both coaches are not similar. Yes, people can see similar because it's their new season, it's their new teams. But let's look at Alvaro, this guy for Paris, Alvaro. He's new at Paris, he's new in South Africa, he's new in South African football, but he already done well. He's the only coach who have a cup this season.
Yes.
Yeah, he's the only coach who have a cup in this season. So I think Zwane, I agree with the supporters of Kaizer Chiefs because Zwane, he played Chiefs, he grew up Chiefs, he was a coach on the unders of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
You know everything about Chiefs, you know everything about South African football.
Yes.
Now when you look at positive side, the coach of Orlando Pirates have an upper hand because he have a cup of MTN8. He's also on third position, he is fighting for second position, which is good for the team, which is good for the profile of Orlando Pirates coach. When you look at Zwane, it's still difficult to win even a single cup, which means even the mandate of Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think he already reached it because the team is not playing well. You will never know what is going to happen when Chiefs is playing tomorrow. We always think, hey, even them, when you go, there's no, even now, look at the players like Bafana. They only have one goalkeeper of Kaizer Chiefs like Bafana, which is bad for a big team like Kaizer Chiefs. So I think those who are saying Coach Arthur Zwane must be sacked, I agree with them because Chiefs is a big team and they need experienced coach who will take that team to another level because we need Kaizer Chiefs on our South African Football Association because without Chiefs, yes there are Chiefs, but without Chiefs on that level that we know Chiefs, they don't represent us well in our South African Football Association.
Yes, moving forward, masithethe nge-Pirates. I-Pirates this weekend iyadlala nayo. Idlala ne-Richards Bay. Siyayazi Richards Bay is a team iqhube kahle kakhulu last season. I don't know this season is not doing well. But i-Pirates, one thing esiyijongileyo kuyo, i-Pirates is hungry to go to play in Africa. so uyozenzela igama, is willing to be number 2 on PSN.